Hello and welcome to Spanish Wells. Wells.
Don't fall down.
We are heading to the beach. We're here with our friends the Marches. It's birthday celebrations and we're just looking for a good beach to spend the day at. Such a lovely town, Spanish Wells. What's up, Nance?
Hey! It looks like, what if we can see it there?
Hey, we're not going down that for sure. I think this is it. Gorgeous. Look at this. Look at this view. Oh my gosh, this is... All right, hands down. Got a little Hobie cat out there. This setup is better than Exuma's.
Yeah. I don't know. I might have a new favorite.
This is better. This is better than Exuma's. I'm telling you already. It's got civilization. It's got town. It's got this beautiful view.
This is for Marie. Yes, Marie. I have a new favorite.
A couple little rental signs here and there. Because this is, you know,
kind of
rental.
Well, they all said all the roads lead to the beach, so I think.
All right, so Eleuthera is known for its pink sand beaches. And sorry if the audio is tough. We have a lot of wind today. But check this sandbar out. Pure pink, right out here in the turquoise. Pretty cool place.
Yeah, I love it.
Found this little sandbar. It's pretty much an island out here, at least at low tide. Having a good time. Kids are running around. This is absolutely the best place in the Bahamas. If you come to the Bahamas and you miss Spanish Wells, you're missing out. It's got the out island feel. It's got the beaches as beautiful as Exuma's, the water. It's got the town. It's got the colorful buildings. What? I think we're gonna stay here for a while. All right, we are at the end of what's called Russell Island. What do you think about this beautiful place, Spanish Wells?
Let's stay forever.
Michelle?
It is beautiful. It's my favorite place so far, which says a lot. This is
That's what Nancy says all the time.
Every time I go someplace new, it's my favorite
However,
place.
I love this place.
Kiddos, what'd you think? How's it going?
I love it. The water is so beautiful, and there's a huge sandbar that I like to run on.
Sandbars are lovely.
Yeah, yes, they are. I like Spanish Wells. Spanish Wells is cool.
Livia, what do you think?
First real place.
I like this place.
All right.
First real place.
Where'd Carrie go? So we're at the end of the island, and it's all private property for sale.
Did Dad go buy some cigarettes?
So we're just gonna check out some lots, and I don't know, maybe we find our future property. Here we go. Mark?
I want to see! Out of my way! Carrie, you okay?
Wow, this property would come with your own personal beach. Isn't that awesome? Look at this.
There's a baby shark. Carrie, what happened? I just don't know. Oh boy. I'm gonna show you my shoes there to the front.
Someone is not camera shy. Did I say I love Spanish Wells? This place is amazing. Highly recommended by airplane or by sailboat. Beautiful place. Probably my favorite town in the Bahamas.
Okay.
You come here and you don't even feel like you're in the Bahamas. You don't even feel like you're in Eleuthera. You are in Spanish Wells. Totally different. If you know what that tree is, that is
Gorgeous.
looks tropical, evergreen, completely gorgeous, soft.
It almost looks, it has palm-like features.
There's no prickly. Look at the way these little branches dance in the wind.
Oh, I'm not taking one off there.
What kind of tree that is?
It does not look like a standard coconut.
What a treasure. Another treasure in Spanish Wells. They are pretty there.
You probably like sent it as like.
Do you do Google reviews on restaurants? What do we have now? Nachos. That'll be so good.
Yeah, that will be good.
After a day in town at the beach and a few days at anchor getting some work done, we were itching to get out there on the reefs and see what there was, so we head out to Egg Island. Alright, so we're out on the reefs by Egg Island. And this is just kind of like the starter zone. We're going to jump in. It's about 10 feet, maybe more. Sandy with a little bit of coral there. We're going to have a little good time. Pretty cool spot, except the battery on the GoPro wouldn't turn on once it got wet. But we snorkeled over here, saw a lot of fish.
Oh my gosh, I saw an eel for the first time. It was so wicked cool.
Kind of a pretty eel, different colors.
Spots.
Anyway, we're gonna go to the next spot. If we can't find any fish there, we're gonna come back here. Plenty of snapper and all kinds of good stuff. They don't get fished a lot here, it doesn't look like it. They're just friendly to us, so hate to break their trust, but we might eat a few of them. Mary Poppins?
Yeah.
All right, so we have fish stories to tell, but ultimately no fish today. We got 3 massive conchs. Uh-oh, Carrie's getting a 4th here. And I'm pre-peeing them. You know, you get the urine out so they don't squirt all over the boat when you're cleaning them. We're gonna do conch eggs tonight. Bell pepper, celery, onions, cornbread mix, and conch meat. It's gonna be delicious.
That's a different looking.
4 of them.
I don't know what this guy is. It's not a conch.
It's like a king conch.
It's a king conch. Not the queen conch.
No, that's not the queen, that's the king.
Oh, it's definitely not a queen.
That is crazy looking. I don't know if I know how to get that out.
There's no eyeballs back there. His structure is heavier, and he just looks good. He's tucked back in there good.
Maybe we should pass on him.
I think so too. It's not a queen.
It's a pretty, I actually looked up those shells today.
Oh, did you?
Somebody asked on the Bahamas forum if they were
So that's what we're doing. Anyway, I speared a barjack with my Hawaiian sling here. And, you know, it's just a stainless rod. And he was so close, and I hit him so hard, the spear went halfway through him. He turned a circle, wiggled a little bit and fell right off the spear. And he was dying, fell down to the ground, so did the spear. And instead of grabbing the spear and shooting him again, I went to go grab him with my hand, and he just swam right through my hand up under a rock. He was dying, bleeding. And I think the barracuda is going to have him tonight. I couldn't find him. Dust blew up and all that. Anyway, these are good finds. We can go get more fish back at that first spot if we want to. But overall, really good trip here and good day.
So the adventure did not end with the conch. Let me show you. Here's the conch. It ended with a bucket full of fish. These guys have been fishing hardcore. So it looks like we're gonna have a good dinner and maybe stock a freezer or so. I got it coming out.
Thanks for joining us this time in Spanish Wells. We look forward to seeing you next week as we share more adventures in Spanish Wells Meeks Patch. If you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button and join the journey.
Crazy to think your love was mine, serenading to sinking moons. Oh, I've been so